Good morning, welcome back to the studio, where today we're back with our good friend Joel and we've got his cheapest Range Rover in the UK in for a tidy up. The inside, we've had a quick look round already. It's the usual, it's full of dirt in hidden places. We've also found some spiders' eggs, which is not very nice. We've also got plenty of mould in the car as well. So the car's been sat for a period of time, just needs a really good deep clean on the inside. We're also going to put some focus into the exterior on the paintwork. And if you come over and have a look, there's little bits and pieces which are going to tidy up. But also listen to this. Really, really rough. So we'll clay the car as well before we machine polish it, and it will come out and it will be smooth like glass. Now, we don't want to be the ones to accuse Joel of being a murderer, but there's definitely been some form of body, dead or alive, in the back of this boot. Joel's also got a bit of a habit for smelling his leather. The car in here smells a lot like Old Man, so I'm going to suggest to Joel that he gives that one a miss this time round. But at least it's going to go out smelling much fresher. Cloudburst sent us a sample of their product previously and we were really impressed with it, so we'll make sure we put some in here to finish it off as well. Make sure it doesn't go out smelling like Grandad. So amongst other things, including Joel's Range Rover that we've got on today, we've got this beautiful AMG which is being prepped for Carfest tomorrow as well. And we've also got a couple of nice McLarens for McLaren Hatfield, which are also being prepped. And if you look closely, you'll also spot a Joel. So prep wise for these cars, these are going out to customers, so they need a little bit of machine polishing work just to give them that final little bit of gloss. So we've got the 720 and then two 570s as well, ready for handover this afternoon. So this one's also having a full track pack PPF, so that's the full front end bumper, bonnet, wings, mirrors, and all of the skirts along the side and just up in front of the rear wheels as well. Just aids in stopping the stone chips. So interior is all done. We're now going to take it inside. I'm going to machine polish all the swirls out the bonnet. Range Rover's had a full day. She's done and dusted. Inside's had a full deep clean. Outside's had a really nice clay decontamination, machine polished the bonnet to get rid of the swirls. Joel's a happy guy, and we'll see you next time.
iValet make you clean your own car.